Hey guys, it is your boy Venom here on a Saturday noon or early afternoon, and I'm just chilling over here at the marina. So nice over here. I like to come over here once in a while just to relax. Really nice. Yep, on the other side is the marina water. Yep. That's Oakland or San Francisco over there. Oh no, that's Oakland. And down there, way over there, on the other side of that bridge, San Francisco. Yeah, it is so nice in here, man. I wish I had a house in here. Bet they got a great view every morning they wake up. $1 million homes. Yeah, ever since I moved, I come here just check things out. I miss it over here actually. Yep, so nice. And there's my baby Aria right there. Dirty, but you know what, she still looks good. Got my Niner plates. That's right, die-hard Niner fan, baby. Yep, I can't wait. Next week is my poker night Saturday, and then Sunday I am going to the game to watch my San Francisco 49ers going against Arizona Cardinals. Yeah, it's baby right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm still curious and wondering, contemplating if I should put the stripe in here or not. I would give you guys a sound check, but I don't want to disturb the peace. Yep, it's nice in here. Let me just take some selfies real quick. Picture of my baby girl. At the marina at Point Richmond. Oh yeah, very nice. Anyway guys, we're gonna do a sound check, go through a tunnel and see how loud she gets. Oh, somebody's car. don't look like anybody's in that car. Let's go make a U-turn here. Check out this house, guys. Got the Mini Cooper, but a nice house, lots of windows. We're gonna hear how good she sounds under a tunnel. Here we go. Sound check at the tunnel. At Point Richmond Tunnel. Woo! Damn, that was awesome. Loud. Oh man, such an adrenaline rush right there. Yep, I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I know I did. Driving this naturally aspirated V8 Coyote engine, it's a thrill, man. Freaking awesome. Woo! Got my heart bumping. Oh yeah. And this is my old neighborhood right here, Point Richmond. Look at this. There's nobody in the parking lot. All of a sudden. Yep. When I was living here, can't find a parking anywhere. And now, it's always empty. Oh well. Anyway, I'm heading back to Richmond. Go to the gym and do some workout, get my money. So hope you all enjoyed that. Thank you for watching till the very end, and God bless all of you guys. Venom out. Peace.